Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Julia from TemplateMonster, and today we're going to talk about passive income ideas for web designers and developers, and also about what misconceptions you might have. Just keep watching. First of all, let's define what passive income is. Basically, it's making money while you sleep. This sounds really good, but there are a number of misconceptions. You might think that it's fast and easy money, but it's not. The truth about passive income, for designers at least, is that it takes a lot of upfront work and sometimes regular maintenance. But if done well, it can bring you sufficient revenue. Creating a passive income stream requires a one-time investment of your time and effort, so later on you can keep making money with little to no work. Secondly, you won't be earning heaps of money from day one. Be prepared that you may not have any results for the first couple of weeks or months. It's a long-run story. And lastly, it takes a lot of building up your presence in the niche to finally stand out from the competition. So what are the ways to start generating passive income today if you're a web designer or a developer? Option 1. Selling themes and design elements on stock sites. Whether you're a web designer or a developer, you could be selling your work directly to the public. You no longer have to invest a huge amount of time in building and advertising your own online store. There are many existing marketplaces that will allow you to reach a wider market to sell your product. By the way, you can find one of them on TemplateMonster.com. Our marketplace has comfortable conditions for selling, personal advisor, and we accept 31 types of products, and new types are added on a regular basis. Here you can become a vendor, start uploading your products, and earn up to 70% from each sale. But before start selling your products on theme marketplaces or design stock sites, you have to keep in mind a couple of things. Often people turn to stock sites and think that here they can finally create the products they want because there is no client to tell them what to do, but that's a mistake. You're still creating products and services for clients. That's why carefully examine the selection of products on a particular stock. What items are being sold the best, what categories are lacking new entries, etc. Option 2. Creating tutorials and online courses. There are a lot of people who are looking for the opportunity to learn something new and improve their skills, which makes creating and selling your online course a perfect passive income stream for designers and developers. If you feel like you're really great at something, give it a try and share your knowledge with people. It might take tons of work to create a course, but once it's done, you can get up to $1,000 per month. Check out such online course platforms as Udemy, Skillshare, Teachable, and Podia to compare pricing and conditions. Option 3. Creating a tool, product, or a plugin. Online course is a digital product, so you can sell it over and over, but there are also other types of digital products. You as a designer might constantly run into some process or some issue that you wish could be faster and easier to deal with, and so do other fellow designers. Consider creating a tool, plugin, add-on, or maybe even ebook or a guide to help others solve their problem. It can even be a free-to-use product, but you can find ways to monetize it. You can ask users to buy you a coffee or offer them a premium version of the same tool if they like using the free one. Option 4. Creating content on YouTube. I'd say it's not 100% passive income, but still can be present in our list. Everything you need is a bit of editing skills. Of course, YouTube is definitely not the easiest way because there are certain requirements to be reached before you can monetize your content on YouTube. However, you can use it for uploading tutorials, videos with the process of your work, podcasts, or even daily life vlogs to start making money on ads. Option 5. Affiliate links for your design resources. There is a certain resource you find really cool. Consider becoming an affiliate for that resource. Everything that you need to do is sign up to an affiliate marketing service, promote the product to an audience, and receive a commission on sales made through their links. For example, you made a website for a client. In this case, you may recommend a hosting you like, providing the client with your affiliate link. By the way, TemplateMonster also allows you to join an affiliate program and get from 10 to 30% commission for users' purchase. So these were our 5 passive income ideas that might be helpful for you in the future. Be sure to leave a comment below with any success stories or additional ideas. Thanks a lot for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Have a really great day and see you in the next one.